So here's how you can make a Twitter account on your mobile phone. It's actually easy to do, so let's get into it. First, you want to download the Twitter app in your Google Play Store. So simply type in Twitter in your search bar and then you want to install the Twitter app. Once it's installed, click on open. And I already have it installed, so I'm going to go over and create a new account from here. So then once you're logged into this page, what you want to do is either continue with a Google account or you can completely make your account from scratch. So I'm going to click on continue with Google and select the email that you want your account to be associated with. You want to select the language. Click on next. And then now you want to enter your date of birth. So now you want to make your username on your Twitter account. So you can basically customize it. So I'm going to make mine. Click on next. You can either choose to have Twitter to access your contacts, but I'm going to just click on not allow. And then now you want to choose the genre that you want to see on Twitter. So I'm going to select gaming, entertainment, and sports. That sounds pretty good. Click on next. And then now you want to follow one person. So I'm going to choose to follow Elon Musk. I'm going to click on next. And as you can see, we have made our Twitter account. You can go over here and click on your profile. You can customize your bio by clicking on edit profile. You can also change your profile picture and start your Twitter account from there.